Hi, my name is Ed Hall with the NPI team. Welcome to the WaveLinx LITE 7.0 Configuring Daylight Sensor Settings presentation. Now let's review the daylight switching configuration. Open communication to the desired acoustic ceiling sensor. Set daylight switching to enabled, and then select lux or foot candles to display the reading in the desired units. In the lux threshold entry, enter 0 and then tap the check mark. This will cause the controlled electric lighting to turn off. Wait 30 seconds for the current reading field to stabilize and display ambient light level. Tap Use the Current Lux button to update the threshold to the current light level. Now let's review the daylight switching operation. The default lux threshold is 500. If daylight switching is enabled, the sensor will operate as follows. If the space is unoccupied and the ambient light level is below the set threshold, the lighting will turn on when the area becomes occupied. The lighting will turn on if a GMDS switch is used to turn lighting on. The GMDS switch can also be used to turn lighting off with low voltage model sensors. If the lighting is on from occupancy or GMDS switch, the lighting will remain on for the duration of the occupancy cycle, regardless of the increase in ambient light. If the space is unoccupied and the ambient lighting is above the set threshold, the lighting will remain off if the space becomes occupied. The lighting will remain off if a GMDS switch is used with low voltage model sensors. And if the light level drops below the threshold while the space is still occupied, the lighting will turn on and allow GMDS switch actions for the duration of the occupancy cycle. Thank you for reviewing the WaveLinx LITE 7.0 Configuring Daylight Sensor Settings presentation, and I hope this has been educational.